Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going on a quick grocery shopping trip to the town that's closest to me, to go to Walmart and to go to Farm King and to go to Goodwill, of course. Always make a stop at Goodwill and Hyvee. And I just have a few odds and ends to get. And I also would like to grab some fruits and vegetables and some food items that have some semblance of healthiness to them after the holidays, because my body needs some vegetables and some fruit, maybe two. So I'll take you along and we'll see what I get. Attempt. Look at the rooster plates. How can I pass those up?
I'm gonna be surprised if you do.
There's no price on this. It's really frustrating to me when there's no price. So this is my local Goodwill, and every time I come grocery shopping, I have to stop and look for a few things that I collect. Usually it is kitchen items and purses. It's a camo purse, Mike. Jeez, I don't think their heat is working today. Oh, I like this dragonfly. $4. Ooh. And that is cute. I like those. $5 for that one. Oops. Uh-oh. I'm assuming this one is $4 also. Ooh, that's yellow, isn't it? So it's only $1. 50% off yellow. These are cute. You don't need little orange juice glasses. That's orange, not yellow. I've made that mistake before. Look at those pictures. Oh my goodness. I think I have the pie carrier that matches this. Blueberry. Yeah, we're not going to be spending much time in here. It's freezing. So for the food portion of this video, I went ahead and grabbed a salad kit. Sometimes these work well. I got the sweet kale vegetable salad kit. I believe it has broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, chicory, dried cranberries, roasted pumpkin seeds, and a poppy seed dressing. This is pretty good, and it's easy, and you can make this into however many portions you want. I believe I tried to stick with the portions on the back. So 1 cup, 4 servings. So I usually do 3 containers, I think. Increase the serving just a little bit. Make 3 servings out of this bag for lunch. I also grabbed some romaine hearts, and it's interesting because now on all of the romaine lettuce that I saw, anything that contained any romaine lettuce, it said when it was harvested and where it was harvested on all of the price tags, or all of the packaging. So gonna take care of the problem, I guess. I also grabbed a bag of spinach, and I grabbed the one that has the latest best if used by date, because I want it to last a while, and I will use this in my green smoothies. You know, after the new year, everybody gets on the health kick, so green smoothies with the spinach. My husband got 4 limes, and he also got 4 lemons, and grabbed him some avocados at Hyvee. So I'm not sure what he is doing with that, but he put those 3 things on the list. Got a bag of Gala apples. We will eat these over the next couple of weeks. So I'll probably end up going shopping again next weekend, so I didn't get too much because I want to be less wasteful for sure. So we also got a bag of blood oranges. These look really, really good, and I'm excited to try these. Then my husband's sweetener, Sweet and Low, and then I got the organic stevia, of course. Instant brown rice. I got 2 boxes. My chickens love rice, and we eat some brown rice when we are on our healthy eating kicks. So grabbed a couple of boxes of that, although I think the chickens are over rice right now. Grabbed a couple blocks of cheese, a 1-pound block of sharp cheddar, and then 2 8-ounce blocks of this natural hickory smoked Gouda. I haven't tried that before. Smoke Shack Jacks. Mike grabbed that, so that looks good. We will try that. And then also got a roll of this summer sausage to go with that cheese. This is my husband's favorite snack right now, and we usually have a ton of deer salami, but we are out and we need to make some more. But I got a double pack of Little Smokies for a Christmas party tomorrow. I'm making whiskey wieners, so I needed to grab some of those. And then this is my favorite kind of Greek yogurt, the 000, 0 added sugar, 0 artificial sweetener, and 0 fat. And it comes in these 6 packs, and this one is mixed berry and strawberry. So I really like this particular kind of Greek yogurt. It doesn't taste chalky to me. Mike got this red curry Thai style sauce. I'm not sure what he is doing with that. He actually got 2. And then I have automatic delivery of this cat food, but we use it more as a treat because these are little tiny cups. But I was running low and won't get the shipment for another week or so. So I went ahead and grabbed a box of that. And then, of course, the majority of our grocery bill goes to cat and dog treats. So I got 2 boxes of the party mix treats. I get 2 bags of these duck jerky recipe treats every time I go to Walmart because the dogs love them. Also grabbed a box of sandwich bags. I was out of those. And then I don't know how often I have mentioned this, but we have a 10-month-old German Shepherd puppy that we adopted 5 months ago, and he is a German Shepherd puppy, and he acts like it. So we are forever trying to find things to keep him busy while we're gone at work. So Mike found these. They're really into the bone marrow type things right now. So we got 3 packages of those, and hopefully they will like those and not bury them or lose them immediately. And then for some non-food items, I just got a super cheap spray bottle of all-purpose bleach cleaner. Mike's favorite shaving gel for sensitive skin, the Nivea Men. And then both of our floodlights out in the garage, motion sensor, are out, so we grabbed a couple of those. And my allergies, even though it's December, January, I don't know if it's dust or what, are crying. So I got a 3-pack of, what are these called? Kleenexes. A 3-pack of Kleenexes, because I am going through them like crazy. And then this week, the only 2 things I got on Ibotta rebate are the Cholula hot sauce and Olive Garden dressing. So I got the light version. So hopefully it tastes just as good as the full flavored version, but we will see. And then also, in addition to all of that, I got 1 clearance Christmas item. That's it. I'm so proud of myself. I got this wrapping paper. It's craft paper, and I really enjoyed wrapping presents with the craft paper this year, so I grabbed 1 roll of that. It's red with sort of black pinstripes. So it was 50% off, so it was $1.50. And then they were out of my 2 liters of Diet Root Beer, so I grabbed a 12-pack of Diet Cream Soda, and then I also grabbed a 10-pound box of medium milk bones, and they're already in the pantry. So, moving on. Hyvee, I'm so upset. Why does this always happen to me? I bought 3 avocados, and this kid was rolling the avocados around and didn't bag one of them. So it just drives me absolutely mad. I have this issue almost every time I go grocery shopping. Usually it's at Walmart. And anyway, I bought 3 avocados, so hopefully Mike requested 3. So yeah, hopefully 2 will work. Anyway, oh, that grinds my gears. Then we got some pork butt, because we are going to be grinding up deer meat at some point here soon. And we're making, instead of bratwursts, we're making brat burgers with a lot of the meat ourselves this year. Usually we pay somebody to do it, but we are going to do it this year. We have a food saver vacuum sealer thing now, and we have basically everything else that we need. A big heavy-duty grinder and whatnot, because we eat deer meat throughout the year. That's our main protein source. So we bought 2 approximately 9-pound pork butts to cut the deer meat with for the brat burgers. Let's see. Now on to the Goodwill. So, I actually forgot to mention one thing that I got. Now I don't see it. At Walmart I got a little plush cat, and that was to go into this purse and another purse I got. I think I showed it in another video. I got a deer purse, and this one is a little cow purse, and it's for my little niece, and her dad is a farmer, and he raises cows and stuff too. So, I got the deer one a while back at the beginning of December, and it was, I can't remember, I want to say $12. I could be wrong, but anyway, got this one at Goodwill for $3, and it has the tags on it and everything. I still might take the tags off and wash it just because, but I was like, oh, I had to get her, because I couldn't decide between the cow and the deer anyway, so I went ahead and got her this little cow purse. Hopefully she likes it, because I sure do love it. And then my husband got these 2 Jim Beam cocktail glasses. They were actually the yellow tag, which was half off today, so they were $1 a piece. Jim Beam. And then I got this sweater. It doesn't button or anything. It just stays open, and it's long on the corner. So it looks so warm and comfy. It was really, really cold today. So I bought it. So I'm going to get this in the washing machine too. Make sure and wash it really well. But not least, Farm King. So I don't know if any of you have the same sort of farm stores where you live, but sometimes they'll have this bucket sale where anything you can fit in this bucket is 20% off if you buy the bucket for $2. But it doesn't include sale items because I almost bought this coat and it was on sale and it was 30% off, and then I read the fine print and put the coat back, but because I thought I was going to get an additional 20% off. But so the Farm King bucket was $2, and then we got some of this brat and sausage seasoning because, like I said, we are going to be making our own brat burgers. So Mike picked out a bunch. This is the Lem Backwoods seasoning. This one's really good. A coworker just made some using this seasoning, and he gave us all a taste test one day at lunch, and we really like this Chipotle bourbon, but liked a lot of the other ones too. So we're excited about trying that. We'll see how it goes. I may do a video on that process. So then for my totals. So at Farm King, I spent $25. At Goodwill, I spent $10. At Hyvee, I spent on the pork butt and the 2 avocados. By the way, those were only 34 cents, so it's not 38 cents, so it wasn't terrible. But $35 is what I spent at Hyvee, and then $200 at Walmart. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you like this video and if you want to see more of my videos. And I will talk to you later.